All right, good afternoon, everybody. It is Chris. And we are going places with K&J. Just a couple of empty nesters. Sorry about all the noise. We are actually doing a very family-friendly activity today. We are in Georgetown, Colorado, which is about an hour west of our home in the Denver metro area, and we are at the Did I say Georgetown Railroad already? Anyway, we're on...
You said Georgetown, Colorado.
Yeah,
we're at
anyway.
the Georgetown Loop Railroad.
Georgetown Loop Railroad, and we are on a Sasquatch adventure. And Jenny and I are both huge Sasquatch fans. In fact, I am currently rewatching all of the Finding Bigfoot series. And so Jenny and I are really big Bigfoot fans. Hopefully one day we will actually go squatching. I hope someday. But for now, this is as good as we're going to get. I'm sure. Yeah, we're on the Squatch train. I'm sure we're going to see Bigfoots along the way. I'm pretty sure of that. So.
Got to do your best calls.
I'm not going to do anything like that. So.
We have to wood knock.
Yes. I don't know. We're on a train, so I don't know about that. But we're going to get underway here in a few minutes, but until then, this is Chris.
Jen?
We are going places with K&J. Like, you, and subscribe. Hit the thingy down below. What's that thing called? Notification bell? Yeah, help us out, and I hope you enjoy this video. Sasquatches yet? No Sasquatches?
I'm getting a snack.
You're getting snacks? Okay. Jenny's having a snack. How's your snack?
Melty.
Melty? That's why I got M&M's. Well, Bridge. Sasquatches, yeah. Yes, I said Sasquatch because Jenny and I come up with funny names for everything. So, okay, Squitch. You know, I think we're going to go over the bridge here in a minute, so I'll be back in just a second. What are we doing, Pudgy Bear?
Going over the big bridge.
Going over the biggest scary bridge?
Don't look down.
Be careful.
Here we go.
Not a big fan of that.
Nope.
Not a big fan. We did it, Jen. We're almost over. Big scary bridge.
Scary bridge.
Have you seen any Bigfoots yet, Jen?
No.
No, you've not seen any Bigfoots yet?
No.
Real or otherwise? No?
No.
Bobo and Matt and Renee and Cliff would all be disappointed at us right now, right?
I know, because we're doing it from a train.
Yes, we're in a train. Okay, keep your eyes open now. See any Bigfoots yet?
No. You just
now?
asked me like a couple seconds ago.
I know, but how about now?
No.
Now?
No.
Now?
No.
No? All right, let's look smart.
I see rock formations.
Did you see any tree structures?
Just rock formations.
Rock formations?
Like a trail.
Okay, like a trail?
I'm sure it's watching.
Oh, another train. see any Bigfoots?
No.
Did you hear any wood knocks?
No.
Did anything get thrown at you?
No.
Okay. Did
I
you see any
tried to
Bigfoot?
enjoy the scenery.
What did we just see?
We saw a squitch.
We did?
Yeah.
All right. Let's keep
It
going.
wasn't moving.
It wasn't moving? It was dead? That's not nice. All right, let's see. Any more out there? Oh, there's a tree structure right there. Oh, no. Wait a minute. What's that? Oh, no. Oh, no. He's not doing too well, is he? You see any more Bigfoots? No? Of course, the one Bigfoot we saw, I didn't have the camera on, so hopefully we'll see another one. See anything?
There's a nest.
There's a nest? You saw a nest? Come on, there's got to be one around here somewhere, right? I'm not seeing anything. So we've seen two so far, and the camera wasn't on for either one. Of course, I'm not a very good YouTuber. Oh, just got a face full of soot from the train. All right, keep squatching. Oh, right there, Jim, right there, down there, down there. See him down there, down there, down there. See him? Right there, see him through the trees? That's number 3, Jen.
Did you get it?
I hope, well, this is a GoPro, so it's probably a mile away. All right. See if we get another one. Yeah. What'd you get, Jen? Let's see. Ooh, look at that. You got a Sasquatch.
It looks real, doesn't it?
Yes, it looks perfectly real. All right, let's keep looking. Is that grainy and blurry? Yes. So, the perfect Sasquatch photo is grainy, out of focus, has its like motion, and no matter what, they're always 9 feet tall, right?
Yes.
All right. Was the one you saw 9 feet tall?
I'm sure it was.
Okay, there you go. You got proof? Okay, show me your proof, Jenny. Oh yeah, that's perfect Bigfoot right there. Perfect.
In the shadows.
Look at the shadows. You can't see his face though. Nobody ever knows what they look like.
I know.
right.
You can't see.
Good job, Jen.
Look at the
That
shadow.
was perfect, Jenny. Look at that. Look at that.
You can see the shadow.
See that? Oh, yeah. That's a perfect
Look at his
Sasquatch
arms.
photo. Perfect Sasquatch photo. Here comes our locomotive. We're now at the front of the train. Now we go backwards. So, and the bad thing about this is, Jen, is now we get all the smoke and soot. So we're not going to hear anything. So, do you have anything to say before we go look for Bigfoot tomorrow?
Keep your mouth shut.
Yeah, no kidding.
Keep your sunglasses on.
Keep your sunglasses on, mouth shut, lots of soot,
And
lots
then
of
we'll
smoke.
have to refine all of our squatches.
Yes, okay. All right. How many have we seen so far?
4, 5.
4 or 5? Okay. That's not bad.
Those words
Renee,
are
Bobo,
They're
Matt and Cliff
squatching.
would love that if they saw as many as we've seen today, right?
Yeah.
All right. So. All right, guys, here is our new view of the back of the train.
This advertisement circulated all over the country and even made it to certain malls.
Which is actually the front of the train. It's the front of the train going backwards, but we're still at the back of the train. All right, let's let's look for Bigfoots.
There was a trail that was so popular that as many as 7 trips they were being in contagious. You can make the 4-hour trip up to Silver Loop over the Georgetown Loop Railroad. The ride was so popular that it was actually considered fashionable to have a nice picnic run to Silver Loop and be back to Denver half the suburbs. Between the years of 1905 and 1918, yes, we have the opportunity to continue the day by riding the Georgetown Central Railroad. Central continues west out of Silver Loop. They held a gear locomotive known as Shade. They would climb 7% good back to finding South Baltimore and continue all the way to the top of Mount McClellan and it had an elevation over 13,000 feet. Heavy tourism continued in this area until the 1920s. But by the mid-20s, the automobile had come on the scene. Its availability and affordability made it more appealing for folks to show the
Not on the way back yet.
Not on the way back yet? Okay, let's keep looking, huh?
Yeah.
Eventually, passenger driving just dropped off those points, where it was no longer possible to offer passenger service. The route continued to run several freight trains a week for several more years, until the mid-1930s when the automobiles were damaged as well. The railroad finally had a filed for abandonment of line in bankruptcy in 1937. And between 1939 and 1941, all the rails and bridges from Silver Loop and East were taken out of corporate scrap. That would include the Grand Line that went to Blackhawk in Central City, and even included our iconic Double Gate Highway. At the time the highway was built, it cost about $250,000. When they sold it for scrap, they only got about $600 for it.
I got
Sounds like
nothing.
a really bad return on a $250,000 investment you have to what we have today.
All right.
In order to get those
Jenny got another Sasquatch. I was having technical problems, and so Jenny got one. See it sneaking out of the trees there? Typical Sasquatch behavior. So now I will begin looking again. No, I won't. Yeah, sorry, the GoPro crapped out. GoPro crapped out, so I had to take care of it. But Jenny got some nice photos of Sasquatches. Gorgeous. See any more Sasquatches? Not yet? Okay.
Keep your eyes open.
I'm trying.
There's squatchy.
It is really squatchy here, isn't it? Very squatchy. Very, very squatchy. Very narrow. I don't know. Sasquatch would be here. It's very narrow. Alright. Yeah, we're a little back. So we're going again. We had to stop to pick up some other passengers, but this time I'm going to leave this thing rolling until I get a Sasquatch. Whoa. Because I've missed them all, so then I can edit. So yeah. Alright, here we go. I know where we're at.
They ended up meeting in the middle and into an minor fashion in the middle. They met with a cut cord and a hearty handshake. Not really, it was actually game calling, long going. The big way to go. And he's eventually went forward to the other side, so I didn't know I could find that mission over. Back in the heyday of the mining era, the Opportunity Valley produced a little more than $200 billion worth of silver. It's easy to talk about a lot of money. You're absolutely correct. Once we put that into today's economy, that's about $5.5 billion. All out silver production.
We saw a Squatch. We saw a Squatch? All right, all right. He was right there in plain daylight. He wasn't afraid of the train. That's very uncharacteristic of Sasquatch to be out during the daylight where people can see them. So let's see if we can find some more, okay?
Over that brick, you may want to go ahead and throw down the tabs or guards.
Jennifer,
Any small sanctioned children.
we're going over the big scary bridge again.
Oh, we're going back to the bridge.
Going over this bridge, I can give you guys some information. Gee, I didn't know that, smile. This bridge is 300 feet long, just like an American football field. It stands at 75 feet above the tracks below it, and 100 feet above the street. It's on a curve of 18.5 degrees, and even though it doesn't look level, it's on a grade of 2%. And you start off, it's 6 feet higher than you come off of. This is one of the modern models that folks came out to marvel at when this was first built. See, back when this bridge was built, any other bridge of a similar height and similar length would have been built completely straight and completely level. As I just mentioned, our bridge isn't either. This is also the most scenic spot on the line, in my opinion. If that teaches everybody to look out the right side of the train, it'll tip over. I'm just joking, folks. There's no need to give me over. It's just a bad joke. But if my werewolf is a humor hasn't put you off, you can see all the way down into Georgetown at the foot of the mountain. Looking out the left side, you'll see our beautiful scenic double-gate parking lot. Along with our
all right, we're almost back. So Jenny, what is your normal line when you're on a high bridge like that? That's not it.
I don't like it.
There you go. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
All right, guys, that's about it. I don't think we're going to see more Sasquatches. Sorry I wasn't better on the camera, but Jenny got some really cool photos, and we'll take a look at those here in a little bit. All right, everybody, it is Chris.
Jen.
And Jen is enjoying a snack right now. We just got...
Cheese cracker.
No, I'm good, thank you. When's the last time you saw me eat a cheese cracker?
I don't know.
All right,
Good.
so I would like to dedicate this video to 3 of my favorite people that I'll never meet. Renee, Bobo, Cliff, and Matt from...
That's 4 people.
Did I say 3?
Yes, you did.
All right, I would like to dedicate this video to 4 of my favorite people that I'll never meet. Renee, Bobo, Matt, and Cliff from Finding Bigfoot. We just got off of the Georgetown,
This is the other half.
Sasquatch train. Great time. Is one of the few times that I've actually think I've not or missed having grandchildren. So highly recommend. Did you have a good time, Jen?
I did.
We saw a few Sasquatches around. So now we're gonna go find some lunch, and because Jenny's snacking. Yeah, Jenny's snacking. So hope you enjoyed that, because we did. And if you're ever in Colorado or anywhere with a historic railroad and really want to just have a simple, nice, fun, relaxing time, yeah, a little soot on us from the train, I highly recommend this kind of thing. It's really fun. And even if you don't have grandkids, it's fun because you kind of get to soak in everybody else's kids. So for now, this is Chris.
Jen.
And we are going places with K&J. Like, view, and subscribe. And we'll see you in a couple of weeks. Actually, we'll see you over this next weekend because we're going to go see another historic hotel in New Mexico. Until then.
New Mexico.
New Mexico. New Mexico. A cow. Okay, we're going to go see a historic hotel, or stay in another historic hotel in New Mexico. Until then.